Hello students, today's topic is articles. And the are called articles. An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Means and the are called articles. Means articles are placed before noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Articles are of two kinds, indefinite and definite. A and N are called indefinite articles. Why? Because they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. That's why they are called indefinite article. A and N, because they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. Like a table, then any table, a pen, we can talk about any pen, an umbrella and apple. All these means these articles A or N are used before the words that are unspecific. We don't know we are talking about which table or which umbrella or which pen and which apple. Definite article. The is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, place, animal or thing. Like the sun means when I will say the sun, or then you will understand that I am talking about the sun, because sun is specific and particular, like the Bible, the Arabian Sea. That's why these all words are particular and specific. That's why I have used here the. Then there are two kinds of article, indefinite articles and definite article. A and N are called indefinite articles and the is known as the definite articles. We use article before the nouns to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Students, let's see use of A or N. We can say use of indefinite articles. We use A before words that begin with a consonant sound and also before words that begin with a vowel but produce a consonant sound. Students, means we use words before words that begin with a consonant sounds. Okay, it's not matter that it's a vowel or it's a consonant. We will see which sound that word produce, what sound is coming. When we pronunciate that word, then what sound is coming, according to that we will place A or we will place A. If the consonant sound is coming, then we will place A. Sometimes there are some word, student, that start with vowel, but when pronunciate that word, the sound will come consonant. The sound come consonant sound. Let's see how. River. When we pronunciate this word, it starts with consonant and its sound is also consonant. River. The sound is coming of R. Then we will write here A. That's as you can see, I have written here A. Book. There's a consonant and its pronunciation is also consonant. Book. B is coming. That's why I have written here A. European. Student, as you can see, E is a vowel. E is a vowel, but I have written here A. Before E I have written AY, because when we pronunciate this word, the sound is coming of consonant U. European. How you will write U? Like this. U. Which sound is coming? Consonant sound. U. Ya. Ya is a Vyanjan and in English we call Vyanjan consonant. And when we write U, like Y, it starts with Y and U. It means it's a consonant sound. It's not a vowel sound. That's why I've written here A. The same here, unicorn. Unicorn. Pronunciate this word. Unicorn. Then what sound is coming? U. Means ya. And it's a consonant. Means Vyanjan. It's not a vowel. It's written here a vowel. There's a given a vowel word, but when we pronunciate this word, the sound is coming consonant sound. As I've told you, students, it doesn't matter what is given. It's a consonant letter or it's a vowel letter. We should pronunciate the word and according to the sound. If a consonant sound is coming, then we will write A. Next, we use N before words that begin with a vowel sound and also before words that begin with a silent H. It means, students, we will write N before the words that begin with a vowel sound, not vowel letter. Vowel sound. It's not matter that it's a vowel or it's a consonant. We will see the sound. When we pronunciate any word, then we will see what the sound is coming. If it's coming the vowel sound, then we will write N. And with the word with a silent H. Why? Let's see how. An ice cream. Ice cream. What sound is coming? I. Then it's a vowel. That's I've written here. An umbrella. Pronunciate this one. Umbrella. Then O is coming and it's a vowel. Then N. We can write hour. Here's a written H. As you can see, H is a consonant. But when we pronounce this word like R, then which sound is coming? R. R. Then N R. This H is silent, and I have told you with a silent H. This H is silent. We pronunciate this word from R. O-U-R. We can't pronunciate this word. That's why I have written here N. Then which sound is coming? Vowel sound is coming. Same here, honest man. I have written here and pronunciate this word. Honest man. O. Then which sound is coming? Vowel sound is coming. Here's written H. If we will pronunciate H, then what the sound will come? Honest. But it's the wrong way to pronunciate this word. We will not pronunciate H. We will start from O. Then honest. This sound is coming vowel sound. Honest. Then that's I've written here N. Student, it's very important when we will use A or N to pronunciate any word properly and see which sound is coming. If consonant sound is coming, then we will write, means we will write A. If vowel sound is coming, then write N. There's a lots of words like MA. Then what we will write there? Tell me, pronunciate this. M-A. What? M. We will write here like this. M. Then with A. It's a A. Then it means we will write here N. M-A. Why? Because the sound is coming. It's M. It's a consonant. But when we pronunciate this letter, then sound is coming vowel sound. Like then M. There's a like C is. C is TAS. M-L-A. M-L-A. Then what we will write here? Pronunciate this. N. What? M. A means M. A is coming and it's a vowel. It's a swar. We can say swar and vowel. Then what we will write? N. C is N. M-L-A. It means, student, by seeing we can say it's a consonant, and by seeing this word we can do mistake and write A, but don't do this mistake. Okay, remember, when pronunciate the sound will come. If sound will come consonant, then write A. If sound will come vowel, then write N. As you can see here, I have written by seeing we can say it's a consonant, but when we pronunciate this word, then M. What the words coming? Vowel sound is coming. That's why I've written here N. Next, before singular countable nouns. Yes, it's very important, students. We will use A or N before the countable nouns. It must be singular and countable. It's most important when you will we will use a or n before the singular countable noun. The noun should be singular and countable, like a book, a bottle, an egg, an ox. If suppose that there's written books, then you will not write a. It's totally wrong. There's not given x, it means that it's a plural. That's why we will not write here a. Okay, but when it's a singular, then we will write a. When we are talking about something which is new and are introducing it for the first time to the listener. Yes, when we're talking about the thing that is new and it's a new, when we are talking about the first time, like I have a bicycle, means I am telling to anyone else that I have a bicycle. I have bought a new dress. It's a new, means when we are talking about this is the first time, a new dress. Before names of job, like he works as a waiter, like she is a teacher, she wants to become an engineer. It's a job like a waiter, engineer, teacher. Then we will write a or n before that word according to their sound. With nationalities and religions. Yes, if we are talking about the nationalities and religion of anyone's, then we will use a or n, like Kathy is a Christian, Sammy is an American. Here Christian, we are talking about the religion, and here we are talking about the nationalities, American. That's why I have used here a or n. While referring to a single unit of measurement of time, weight and distance, when we are talking about the single unit of measurement of time, weight and distance, like she can run a kilometer in 5 minutes. We are talking about the single unit, not it's a meters, it's a meter, then a kilometer. She will be back in an hour. In how many hours she will back? She will back only in 1 hour. It's a single unit, that's I've written here. And student, this is the rules where we will use article a or n, means indefinite articles. I hope you all have understood.